Welcome to Chatty It's Carbs. Today I'm taking a look at my favorite brand of pork rinds, Turkey Creek Snacks. Again, not paid for any of this stuff. I just love this stuff. I used to order Turkey Creek by the case back when I was on Atkins years and years and years ago, and thankfully they still ship by the case. So I've gotten a couple of cases of this stuff of late. This is my favorite flavor, the chili lime. They also have dill pickle, which I like, and salt and vinegar, which are also really good. These are super intense, like way beyond salt and vinegar potato chips, so be wary if you get some of these. They're good, but you gotta really like salt and vinegar. These are a little bit less intense than these, kind of in that same family. Like I said, these are my favorite because they've got that kind of a chili lime, kind of remind me of lime and chili Doritos from back in the 90s. I guess if you're that old, you might remember those. Not the hint of lime nonsense now, but the old school flavor. That's more like what this is. So anyway, obviously pork rinds are a great snack. They'll fill you up. Basically 100% fat, 0 carbs, so they're definitely a go-to. So if you're interested in the best, in my opinion, the best pork rinds out there, Turkey Creek Snacks, you got them generally, it seems like down south, mostly, not here in Kansas where I'm at, but so I have to order them by the case. But I go through them fast enough that they don't go bad. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.